Hello grade 7 students, welcome to my channel. Module 1 for week 1 ng Mathematics grade 7, quarter 1, entitled Sets. Meron po tayong tatlong lessons for this module. Lesson 1, Sets. Lesson 2, Subset, Universal Sets, Null Set, Cardinality of Sets. At Lesson 3, Union and Intersection of Sets and the difference of two sets. So Lesson 1 po tayo, class. It's all about sets. Papaliwanag ko na lang sa inyo solution, explanation, or discussion ng mga answers na makikita sa inyong answer key. Ang uunahin po natin sa pag-discuss ay ang activity under what's more ng lesson 1. Basahin po natin yung direction. State whether each following sets is well defined or not. Write your answer in the space provided before the number. So as a review class, pag sinabing set sa mathematics, ibig sabihin po nun, ito po ay isang well-defined group or collection of objects with common characteristics. So, ang naka-emphasize po na word doon ay ang well-defined. Pag sinabi po nating well-defined, sakto, klaro, at hindi pa bago-bago. Para pare-pareho ang pagkakaintindi ng bawat isa. So, for example, number 1, the set of young politicians. So, ganito po ang tip na maibigay ko po sa inyo, class. Yung adjective po ang una nating titingnan. Pag sinabi po nating young, so ito po ba ay klaro na definition para sa lahat? Ang young po ba ng isa ay yun ding young ng iba? Yes or no? No. Kasi yung young po ay hindi nakadefine kung anong edad ang matatawag natin na young. So yung young ng iba maaring yung mga minors below 18 years old. Yung iba naman para sa kanila yung 20 to 30 years old ay young pa rin yan para sa isang politician. So yung sagot po natin dito ay not po. The set of types of matter. So naka-highlight po sa atin ang types of matter. Ito po ba ay klaro, sakto, at pare-pareho po ang pagkakaintindi ng bawat isa pag sinabing types of matter? Yes. Kasi yung types of matter is a concept in science. So hindi yan pwedeng mabago-bago ng kahit sino. So fix po yan. So sagot po natin dyan, well-defined. There are 3 types of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. So hindi po yan mabago-bago. So masasabi po natin na well-defined. Ito, the set of versatile actress. So yung adjective na versatile, is that well-defined? Yung versatile mo ba ay versatile actress din ng iba? Versatile, ibig sabihin adaptable, no? Sa ang actress na pwede siya pang action, pwede siya pang comedy, pwede siya pang drama. So matatawag natin na versatile ang actress na yan. So si Julian Santos, versatile ba para sa iyo? Maaring yes, pero sa iba, para sa kanila, hindi siya versatile. So not well defined. Number 4, the set of all oceans of the earth. Mga pangalan ng oceans of the earth. So that is well defined. The set of months containing 31 days. Klaro po ba? Sakto at same ang understanding ng bawat isa? Pag sinabi nating months containing 31 days, yes, that is well defined. The set of tasty food. So ito po yung adjective na tasty ang ating i-investigate. So yung tasty mo ba? Tasty din ng iba? Maring hindi. So none po yan. Number 7, the set of planets in our solar system. So, universal concept po ng science yan, ng set of planets. So, well defined. The set of durable bags. So, ang word na durable, is that well defined or not? So, yung durable mo, maaring hindi durable ng iba. So, none. The set of consonants in the English alphabet. So, that is a universal concept na ito yung mga consonants ng English alphabet. Hindi yan pabago-bago. So, that is well-defined. Number 10, the set of even counting numbers. So, that is a universal concept in mathematics. So, that is still well-defined. Alright, class? Naiintindihan niyo na ang mga sagot ng ating what's more na nasa answer key ng inyong Module 1. Proceed po tayo sa what I have learned activity. Kung mapapansin niyo po, ito lang po ay definition. Matching the terms in the column B with the definitions, their corresponding definition in column A. So, kayo na po ang bahala dito. Kayang-kaya na po ito ninyo. So, babasahin nyo lang po yung discussions above para po masagutan ninyo ang what I have learned. What I can do po naman, kayang-kaya nyo pa rin yan kasi alam nyo na ang definition ng sets. Alam nyo na ano ang mga ano ang tamang pagkasulat ng set, no, yung mga symbol na ginagamit pag binasa nyo po ang module nito. So, kayang-kaya nyo na po yung sagutan ang what I can do. So, proceed po tayo dito sa ating lesson 2 ng module 1 for grade 7 mathematics. Subsets, universal sets, null sets, and cardinality of sets. So, just a quick discussion class para sa mga terms na ito. Pag sinabi po nating universal set, ito po yung set na nandun na sa kanya ang lahat ng mga members under consideration. Kung sinabing under consideration, so yung nakadepende kung ano po yung well-defined characteristics niya. So lahat po ng posibleng members ng mga objects na yan, ng group na yan, nandun kay universal set lahat. So kaya tinatawag natin siyang universal set kasi pag gagawa natin siya ng kanta, siya po yung nasayo na ang lahat. So sa set na nasa kanya na ang lahat, si universal set. The universal set, which is denoted by a capital letter U, contains all objects under consideration. So for example po, set U or the universal set contains the set of whole numbers. So ibig sabihin lahat po ng whole numbers ay nandun kay universal set. A set of English alphabet is an example of universal set. A set containing days of the week. So si universal set, nasa kanya na si 7 days. Kasi universal set siya. Pag sinabi natin universal set, wala na pong mas malaki pang set sa kanya. Siya na po yung pinakamalaki. Okay? So, under that well-defined characteristics, nasa kanya na ang lahat ng mga possible members ng set, possible elements ng set. So, pag sinabi po nating subset, ito naman po yung a set in a set. No? Pag kukuha ka po ng specific numbers of elements from a given set, say universal set, tawag po sa kanya doon ay subset. So for example, pag si universal set mo ay the set containing all the colors, tapos si set O mo ay set containing red, blue, and yellow. So we can say that O is a subset of the universal set containing all the colors. Nakuha. So, another example, yung universal set natin dito is a set U containing all whole numbers. So, ang subset niya ay set containing even numbers. So, subset tawag. Yun ang subset niya. The set containing the odd numbers. So, subset yun ng set na to ng number 1, universal set. So, ano na pa po yung subset na maibigay mo sa number 2 na example? The set of all letters of the English alphabet. What are its subset? The set of vowels. So, subset yan ng set na to. The set of consonants, consonant letters. Subset yan ng set na to. Number 3, the set U contains the set of days of the week. So, ano ang subset niya? For example, the set of the days of the weekend. Sunday and Saturday. So, subset yan ng U. So, simply, subset is a set contained in a set. And as always, A is always a subset of itself. No? A set is always a subset of itself. Ito po yung tandaan natin. Tapos si empty set or si null set naman sa yung kabaliktaran ni universal set. Alright? Pag si universal set, nasa iyo na ang lahat. Si null set naman ay walang natira sa kanya. Kinuha mo na ang lahat sa akin. Kaya yun po si null set. Wala nang natira sa kanya. Wala siyang laman. A set with no element is an empty set or null set. So, masasabi po natin as a universal concept, empty set is also a subset of every set. So, yun po si null set. Opposite siya ni universal set. And then, cardinality of sets. Pag sinabi po natin cardinality of sets, these are the number of members in a set. So, simple lang po pag sinabing find the cardinality of the set, simply count the number of its elements. Say, for example, set D, the set of vowels in English alphabet. So, there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. Therefore, the cardinality of the set is 5. So, yung symbol po natin is ganito ang pagkasulat. N, tapos, parenthesis, capital D. So, meaning, the cardinality of the set D is 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members in a set. Okay? So, now, let us proceed to the activities under what's more. Activity 1, find the cardinality of the following sets. Alright, so number 1, set A is the set of days in a week. So, members po or elements po ng set A natin is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. How many elements? How many days in a week? There are 7. Therefore, the answer is 7. Ang pagkasulat po natin dyan is yung symbol ng cardinality. So, N for the number of elements para mas madali po nating maalala. So, number of elements of set A. Ang name po ng set is in capital letter A, which is equal to 7. So, simply count the number of elements in a set. Alright? Okay. Number 2. Set B is the set of letters in the word recognition. So, how many letters are there in the word recognition? So, let us count. R is 1, E is 2, 3 is C, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I, tapos na yan, nag-repeat na. Si O, nag-repeat na rin. Si N, nag-repeat na din. So, there are 8 members, or there are 8 elements in a set. Therefore, number of elements of set B is equal to 8. Number 3. Set C is the set of even numbers less than 2. So, as a review, what are even numbers? These are numbers that can be divided exactly by 2. So, when you divide number, pag i-divide po natin si number by 2, pag whole number po yung sagot, ibig sabihin yung number na yun ay even. Pero pag may decimal po, say 0.5, may 0.5 po ang sagot, so that is not an even number. So it is odd. So what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So ang sabi po niya, even numbers less than 2. Si 2 is an even number. Kasali po ba siya sa elements? Hindi, kasi less than 2 lang ang sinasabi niya. So, ang natira na lang ay si 0. So, si 0 ba ay 0 at 1? Si 1 ay odd number. Si 0, is 0 an even number? So, you divide that by 2. 0 divided by 2, what is the answer? 0. So, si 0 po ay whole number. So, therefore, 0 is an even number. So, how many even numbers less than 2? Only 0. So, there are 1. Therefore, n of C, 1. Kasi si 0 lang ang even number. Less than 2. Number 4, set D is the set of odd numbers between 3 and 9. So, ano-ano po yung mga odd numbers between 3 and 9? Bilangin po natin. Between 3 and 9. Ibig sabihin, hindi kasali si 3 at saka si 9. So, bilangin natin ilang odd numbers na sa gitna ng 3 and 9. So, si 5, si 7. So, sila lang pong dalawa. So, therefore, your n of D is equal to 2. Dalawa lang pong odd numbers ang nasa gitna ni 3 and 9, which is si 7 at saka si 5. Number 5, set E is the set of factors of 12. So, ano-ano po yun? Mga factors ni 12. Okay, ito sila 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there are 6 factors of 12. So, ang n of E po natin class is equal to 6. Activity 2. Under what's more pa rin po tayo. True or false. So, ito po yung topic on subset. So, ito po yung symbol ng subset. So, ang pagkabasa po dito, this set 3, 5 containing elements 3, 5, 7 is a subset of a set containing 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. So, kung saan po nakaharap po yung opening ng symbol ng subset, siya po ang mas malaki na set. So, dahil dito nakaharap po yung opening niya, ibig sabihin, mas malaki ang set na to at subset lang ang set na nasa kabilang side. So, is this set 3, 5, 7? Elements with 3, 5, and 7 is a subset of a set containing 1, 2, 3, etc. So, if you extend this, ibig sabihin ng ellipsis, continue the pattern. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ibig sabihin, counting numbers po yan. So, nandito ba si 3, 5, tsaka si 7? Yes. So, you're right. True. Number 2, itong set na to ay subset ba ng set na to? Lahat ba ng elements ng set na to nandito sa set na to? Clearly, hindi. Kasi wala si B, wala si Q sa kabila. No? Mas malaki ang set na to kaysa set na nasa harap ng opening. So clearly, that is not a subset. This set is not a subset of the set H containing H and R. So, anong sagot po natin dyan? False. Number 3. Ito, 3, 12, 5, 19. Is that a subset of 19, 3, 5, 12? Si 3, nandito. Tapos si 12, nandito din. Si 5, nandito din. Si 19, nandito. Ibig sabihin, equal yung dalawang sets na yan. Kasi regardless of the arrangement or the order po tayo ng elements. So, a set is a subset of itself. Therefore, true. Lahat ng set na nasa left side, lahat ng elements na nasa left side ay elements din ng right side. So, we can say that the set on the left is a subset of the set on the right side. So, that is true. Number 4. So, isang elements lang siya na may 4, si elements ba dito na 4 ay may elements na 4 din sa kabila? Yes. So, we can say it's true. Subset siya ng set sa kabila, sa right side. This is the symbol of an empty set. So, member ba siya dito? Yes, because as we have discussed a while ago, empty set is a subset of every set. Therefore, true. So, yung sagot po natin is true, false, true, true, true. Check nyo po sa answer key ninyo kung pareho po ba. So, ang importante po dito ay naintindihan ninyo kung paano po nakuha ang mga sagot na yan na nasa answer key. Paano po tayo nag-arrive ng mga answers na nasa answer key. Alright? So next, what I have learned. To sum it up, let us complete the statements. Choose your answer from the box that best completes the statements below. So, ang dali lang po nito, class. Pag nagbasa po kayo sa module, talagang masasagot nyo po ito. These are all about definitions na nasa discussion ng module na sa taas. So, sagutin nyo lang to, class. This is just fill in the blanks lang po. So, wala na po dapat siyang ipaliwanag, ipakita na solution. So, diretso na po tayo sa what I can do. Given the sets below, write true if the statement is correct and false if it is wrong. So, we have the given sets here. Set SOLGVIN with their corresponding elements. So, true or false lang po to, class. So, the cardinality of set G is 8. So, ito po si G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 planets po ang kanyang member. So, what do we mean by cardinality? The number of elements. 8 ba? That's true. Okay, number 2, 5 element 5, 15, and 25 is a subset. A set containing elements 5, 15, and 25 is a subset of set V. Dito po yun si V. Subset ba si 5, 15, 25? 5, 15, 25. That's true. Si number 8, number 3, element containing 8 is a subset of L. May 8, element 8 ba si L? Wala. So that's false. Si 4, cardinality of set O is 7. Ito po si O. 7 po ba yung cardinality niya? There are only 3 elements, therefore false. Si number 5, the number of elements in set N. Ito po si N is 5. Ilang pong elements meron si N, set N? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5. That is true. Si number 6, sets with elements S, U, N is a subset of G. Ito po si G. May S ba na elements si G? Wala. Kasi yung elements niya separated by comma are the name of the planets. So regardless na may letter S po dito, pero hindi po siya considered as an element. Kasi yung element ng set are separated by comma. So ito talaga yung element niya, Venus. Hindi yung mga letters. So therefore, this is false. Number 7, an empty set or this symbol is a subset of set N. Automatic true po yan. Kasi an empty set is a subset of every set or any set. The cardinality of set I. Ito po si I. Ilan po ang members ng element niya? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Anong sabi niya? Cardinality of set I is 10. So that is false. Number 9. Subset of set S. C. Sets with elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So saan po si set S? Ito. Numbers, counting numbers o whole numbers from 0 to 10. So member ba si 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Though hindi natin nakikita si 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dito, but it is understood na ito po yung ellipsis, ibig sabihin, just continue the pattern. Those are the members of the set. So, understood na nandito po si 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kasi makikita naman natin sa pattern na whole numbers siya from 0 to 10. So, therefore, number 9, the answer is true. Number 10. One of the subsets of set N and G is a null set or empty set. Yes or no? Kailangan pa ba nating i-check ang mga members ng set N? So no need na kasi it's a universal concept that null set is a subset of every set. Very true. So that's test 1 of what I can do. Test 2, identification. Identify the cardinality and the subsets of the following sets. So I will leave this one to you, class, kasi na-discuss na natin yan paulit-ulit ang cardinality. So again, bilangin lang ang members ng elements at bilangin lang ang elements ng set. Yun na po yung cardinality. Tapos subsets. Sige, I will answer 1, 3, and 5 for you. Then I will leave 2 and 4 for your own solution. So, cardinality of set A, merong dalawang elements. So, that's 2. Ito si subsets. So, papakita ko sa inyo paano gagawin si subset. Kasi hindi pa natin to na try. So we'll make use of the symbol for a set para sa pagsulat ng subset. So first, null set muna. So a set na walang laman. Siyempre, members yan ng set. A set is a subset of every set. So si empty set. Next is si 1. Tapos si 8. Tapos si the set itself. Yan. So yan po ang mga subset ng set A for number 1. Ang tip ko po na maibigay sa inyo class sa activity na po to ay yung shortcut para hanapin kung ilang subset meron ang isang set. So take note that in general, if you have an n elements in your set, then there are 2 to the n subsets. So in this example, para malaman po natin, may guide po tayo kung ilang subsets po ang set A, is we will make use of this formula 2 to the n, where n is the number of elements, which is 2 for set A. So 2 to the n. So ano pong value ng 2 to the n? So 2 raised to 2. So 2 times 2, that is 4. Therefore, there are 4 subsets. Okay? So, bilangin po natin 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito po yung guide na tama po ang ating naging kasagutan. So, tulad ng sinabi ko, itong odd numbers lang po ang papakita ko sa inyo. Kayo na po bahala sa 2 at saka sa 4 para di na po masyadong tataas ang video po natin for this tutorial. So, cardinality for set C, there are how many elements? 4. For the subsets, gagamitin po natin yung 2 to the n po natin na formula para malaman po natin ilang subsets po ang possible with a set with 4 elements. The formula is 2 to the n, so there are 4 elements. So 2 to the 4 is 16. So there are 16 sets. So, sulat niyo po dito ang 16 sets. Unahin niyo po si empty. Alright? So, yung clue po natin is 16 subsets. So, bilangin po natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, for number 5, cardinality is 3 because there are 3 elements. So, ilang subsets po meron pag 3 elements? 2 to the 3. 2 to the 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. So, there are 8 subsets. So, sulat nyo naman si 8 subset. First is si empty set. Then, isa-isa sila. Si green, si orange, tapos si purple, tapos tigda-dalawa na naman. Green and orange. Tapos, orange and purple. So, ilan na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Si green, pang 7. Tapos, pang 8 natin ay ang set E. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 subsets. So ganun lang po ang paghanap or pagbigay ng subsets ng set. So you can do the rest class for number 2 and number 4. So apply nyo lang itong formula na to, 2 to the n, para makuha ang ilang subsets meron ng set. Tapos enumerate mo lang lahat. Bawat set, magsimula ka sa empty set, tapos tig isa-isa sila, isang element, tapos tig dalawang element, tatlo, hanggang aabot ka ng yung sa 2 to the n number of sets mo. Tapos na po tayo sa ating lesson 2 activities.